Hello everyone. We are about to revisit Jesse Cox's refrigerator. As you can see, he still has loads of Sprecher sodas. Granted, he has failed to organize them, so that loses points. He has the Fiji water and the San Pellegrino, so he earns back the points. Over here, the butter remains. It has not moved. The Dream Water is still here. There has been an addition of Cholula hot sauce. I don't think that was there last time.
It was!
It was! And then we move down. We have pure organic maple syrup, because if it's not pure, it's not worth it.
Thank you, Canada!
Canada, thank you. There's also Beaver brand sweet hot mustard. I feel like that's also from Canada. Let's find out. Is it from Canada?
It is!
No, it's from Oregon.
That's close to Canada!
It is close to Canada. Then we got French's mustard, made in France.
Is it?
Yes. Then we have teriyaki sauce, sriracha, House of Sang. That sounds like a book. And some,
Singing fog?
yeah. And then relish. So that's that side. And now, for the other side, we have shrimp scampi, garlic butter. Everybody likes garlic butter with shrimp. The frozen Jägermeister remains. And vegetables. You gotta have your vegetables, because otherwise you'll get scurvy.
That's why they're there, to fend off scurvy.
And that's that.